Porto de Galinhas, located in Brazil, is a stunning coastal city that has become a popular tourist destination in recent years. Known for its breathtaking scenery and pristine beaches, Porto de Galinhas offers tourists a unique travel experience. The natural beauty of Porto de Galinhas is truly mesmerizing. Its unspoiled beaches stretch for miles. The turquoise waters are ideal for swimming, snorkeling and diving, allowing tourists to explore the vibrant marine life. The town's main beach, also called Porto de Galinhas, is particularly famous for its natural pools formed by coral reefs at low tide. These pools provide an incredible opportunity to snorkel and observe the colorful marine life. Whether you are looking for relaxation on pristine beaches or outdoor adventure, a visit to Porto de Galinhas promises an unforgettable experience. With its stunning scenery and vibrant tourism industry, this Brazilian gem has rightfully earned its place as a must-see destination for travelers from all over the world.